can take it. So for now, I'm taking 1280 into 720, and this is the background color, and this is the DPI. So for website format, for website purpose, you need to take 72 DPI, and if you want to print anything else, you need to take 300. This is the thing. And there are some templates, maybe some ready-made templates. This is for Facebook cover. This is for printing purpose. This is for photo. And the other one is this is the ready-made template. Okay. And maximum time we're going to create our own like custom template. Then you need to click create option. Once you click create option, you will see the interface. Okay, this is the interface of Photopea. This is quite similar with Adobe Photoshop. And on the left side, you will see the toolbars. Okay, and this is the top bar. First, you will see file. If you want to create a new file, just click here, file, then new. Then this is the edit option. If you want to edit your image, you can use this one. Then image option, layer option, there are lots of options there. So yeah, first of all, I have already taken output, this one. This is the output. Okay, and this is the layer panel. Okay. Whenever you take any output, it will be locked. Okay. You just need to click here, then it will be unlocked. And if you want to lock this one again, just click here. Okay. This is the thing. And if you want to open any image, just click file option. Or you can click Control O. So it will be there. Let me go download. Try to open an image. Okay, as you can see here, I have opened an image. You just need to go ahead, find, then open this option or Control O. So in that case, you can open image. So as you can see here, there are two tabs. Okay. So if you want to move this image to another tab, there are lots of ways. So the thing is, you can copy this one, press Control C, then you need to go here, new, then Control E. Okay. In that case, you can move image from one tab to another tab, which is quite easy. Do you understand guys? This part?
Yes.
So as you can see, there are two tools. The first one is move tool. If you want to move your object or your image, you just need to drag and drop, as you can see here. And then there are another one is artboard tool. So if you want to create a new artboard, you can just click that. So for now, let's skip this. Let's talk about only move tool. Okay. And the next one is selection tools. This is called selection tool in Adobe Photoshop. Uh, there are lots of selection tools. It always depends on you, depends on your work, how you can select your object. So let's say, first of all, you need to go here, then you need to right click on it if you want to select individual tools. So let's take a rectangle tool. So let me open another image. Okay. As you can see here, there is a part one. So if you want to zoom your canvas, just click here, then you can easily zoom. Okay. Then let's get into my selection tools, which is rectangle selection tools. So if you drag something like this type of rectangle, it will be selected
Sorry,
only this area.
sorry, dear. Sorry, dear teacher. Which shortcut has this option?
Uh, I think it's Z for zoom tools. That's G. Okay, that's G. So it will be moving to this tools. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
or
yes,
otherwise
dear
you can
teacher. Yes.
just go here and just select this one. Yeah. So as you can see here, this part is selected. Then if you want to drag and drop this one to there, you can just do this drag and drop. Otherwise you can just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So as you can see here, I am now in move tools. So if I want to move this portion to this output, what I need to do, I need to go move tools, then there, then drag and drop. As you can see here, drag and drop there.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
do you understand,
Sure.
guys? Do you understand?
Yes, dear teacher. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's say I want to increase my selection area. Let's say I want to increase this part. So in that case, I can go here. Uh, in that case, I can press shift. So if I press shift and if I draw a area, it will be added, as you can see here. If you want to add area, you just need to press shift. As you can see, I'm pressing shift from my keyboard, then I just try to add this. As you can see, this area is added. If I want to add also this area, just press shift. So selection will be added. Then you can easily drag and drop here like this. So yeah, if I want to deselect the area, you need to press Alter. So this area will be deselected. Okay, I have to go back into my selection set. So then I'm pressing Alter. As you can see, this area will be deselected. As you can see here. And then if you want to drag and drop here, you just need to drag and drop here. This one to there. So if you want to add the area, you need to press Shift. Then just draw the area. If you want to delete the area, you want to press Alter. So it will be deleted. This is the thing. Plus and minus. That's it. Do you understand, guys? Hello, guys. Do you understand? Please respond to me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, dear teacher. Yes. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, if you want to deselect the area, as you can see here, I have selected this first. Let's I want to deselect the area. Just so select, then deselect. So let's say I have selected this area. I want to deselect the area. Just click select, then deselect. It will be deselected. And there are some more, selection. As you can see here, ellipse. If you just select this part, ellipse means it's one kind of rounded selection. If you want to select some image, like image rounded selection, you can just take this one. And the next one is lasso. Lasso select. So let me okay, as you can see here, let's say I want to select only this portion. So in that case, you can use lasso tool. As you can see here, I'm just selecting this one. You just need to press left icon. Okay, the great news is I have successfully installed Photoshop. Okay, guys, can you see my screen? Photoshop screen.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the Photoshop. This is our main
Yes, you
project.
can.
Okay, you just need
Yes,
to click on
yes,
new. Once you click new option, you will see this type of interface. This is quite similar with Photopea that I already show you guys. Okay, as you can see here, say photo and so on. As you can see here. Then you just need to click and for the resolution or DPI, if you want to print anything else, you need to make sure the resolution is 300. If you want to make a design for your website purpose, you need to make sure the resolution is 72%. This is the important, and the another important is RGB and CMYK. If you want to create anything for your social media purpose, you need to select RGB color mode. And if you want to create anything for printing purpose, let's say I want to create a business card, I want to print this business card. In that case, you need to select the color mode as CMYK. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. This is the important part. Do you understand, guys? Color selection. Hello?
Excuse me, can you repeat the color selection again, please?
Okay. For the color selection, let's say I want to create a flyer design, and this flyer I will post on my Facebook. So in that case, I need to select RGB. And let's say for another purpose, I want to create another flyer for printing purpose. In that case, I need to select CMYK. This is the thing. For website purpose, you need to select RGB. For printing purpose, you need to select CMYK. Do you understand?
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Because if you're selecting the color mode as RGB, whenever you are going to print your flyer, whenever you see the color, you won't see the accurate color. In that case, you need to select the CMYK color for printing purpose. And for the maximum type, we're going to create anything else for printing purpose in Adobe Photoshop, not Adobe Illustrator. Sorry, Adobe, not Adobe Photoshop. For printing purpose, we're going to design anything else in Adobe Illustrator, not in Photoshop, because Photoshop is used for the raster graphics, and Illustrator is a vector graphics. And don't worry about the raster graphics and vector graphics. I will take another special class for the raster graphics and the vector graphics, so you can easily understand. Okay, let's create new. Click option, just click new. You will see the Photoshop interface. Yeah.
dear teacher, do you have
Yeah.
explanation in Photoshop? Do you have explanation in Photoshop?
Sorry, what do you say? Yeah, I don't understand.
Explanation in Photoshop.
Are you talking about the source file of Adobe Photoshop? Like main file?
Yeah. Uh, what different PSD and PSB in Photoshop?
Sorry, I don't understand. I'm so sorry. Hello. What did you say? Sahel, is that you?
Sorry, sir, what if Sohail wrote, his question in the chat box?
Okay. And the
Yeah.
Photoshop that I have different version. It's working. This is the website, not Photoshop. Okay. Yeah. Photopay is the website. This is not the Photoshop. So, and this is Photoshop. As you can see here, this is the Photoshop. Okay. So yeah, as I told you, this is the overview of the Adobe Photoshop. And I'm so sorry for this class because I was facing issue with my Photoshop. That's why I was going with Photopia. But right now I am now in Adobe Photoshop. So this is the main overview of Adobe Photoshop. You guys, everyone has this type of interface. Okay, if you install Adobe Photoshop. Okay, as you can see here, as I told you, Photopia and Photoshop almost same. As you can see here, the overview almost same. This is the top part, and this is the tools. As you can see here, there are a lot of tools. So don't worry about it. We will learn this tool step by step. Oh yeah. As I told you, this is a move tool and a body selection tool. I'm now taking it to my photo here because I'm taking it with Adobe Photoshop. I don't know what's like this. Okay.
Dear teacher, I can't hear your voice. Why?
Hello, student. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. I think that was my internet issue.
It's okay.
Yes. That's okay, dear teacher.
Okay. So yeah, do you have my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have.
Yeah, sorry guys. Okay. Let's check it. Okay. Okay. We are now in magnetic lesson 2. So this is one kind of magnetic. It works in magnetic way. So as you can see here, I just click here. Okay, as you can see here, I just one click here, then I start my uh work to select the person. So you just need to select one time, click one time, then you can select. So it will automatically selected your object like this. So as you can see here, like this. So let's say I want to add this part. How can we do this? We can go lasso tools. Then you need to, if we want to add any selected area, so you need to press shift. Then let's drag here. It will be added, as you can see here. I'm pressing shift. It will edit the area. As you can see here, I'm pressing shift. It will edit this area. So I'm pressing shift. It will edit this area. I'm pressing shift. It will edit this area as well. I'm pressing shift and it will also edit this area. So let's say I want to deselect this part. How can we do this? We need to press Alt and we need to select this portion. So it will be deselected. Okay. Let's say I want to deselect this part as well. You need to press Alt. Okay. Then if you want to move this one, just drag and drop here. Like this. Do you understand, guys? Hello, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please have
Yeah.
to
Yes, yes.
response. Yeah. So this is the part of selection part. Okay. And the other this is the part we have completed our rectangle tools, ellipse tools, lasso, polygonal, and magnetic. So now okay, so now we have magic one tool. This is another selection tools. So magic one works. Let me deselect this part. So how can we deselect this part? Just go to selection, then deselect. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, this part. Let's say I want to select only this part. Okay. So in that case, I can use magic contour. Magic contour we selected in same colors area. So if I click here, it will select it. As you can see here, this is the same color. That's why it will select it in the same color area. So if I select here, if I click here, it will be selected this portion. If I click here, it will be selected only this portion. So if you have same color background, you can in that case you can use magic contour. As you can see here. As you can see here. Okay. As you can see here. So if I click only this portion, it will selected only my same colors area. This is how your magic contour works. So you can just drag and drop into there like this. So for this image, as you can see here, it's
Excuse me,
yeah,
teacher.
yeah.
Can you Can you repeat again this option? Lasso tool, magic tool.
Okay, are you talking about this tool, lasso tool, or
Yeah.
magic tool? Which one? Okay, for the lasso tool, tools, if you want to select any specific area, so in that case you can use lasso tool. As you can see here, let's say I want to select only his eye, so you can just select this portion, then you can drag and drop. This is the lasso tool. Okay, how lasso tools work. And for the magic wand tools, okay, magic wand tool. If you have any same colors area, okay, in that case, if you have any same colors area, in that case you can use magic wand tools. So as you can see here, his Twitter color is black. So if I click only this part, it will automatically select only black colors area. So magic wand tool works in that way. If you have same color background, if you have same color object, in that case you can use magic wand tool, as you can see here. Do you understand?
Yeah. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah. So yeah, the next one is quick selection tool. Quick selection tool. Okay, Control D for deselect, or you can just go here, select and then deselect. Okay. So quick selection is one kind of lasso tool. Like you can select the part individually. Okay, you can add, you can delete the part. So let's say uh select and deselect. Okay. So yeah, let's say I want to select only this portion. Okay. Maybe let's say I want to select only this part. Okay, the top part of this image. So in that case, I can use quick selection tools. So you just need to go here, then right click on it, then click quick selection, then drag and drop. As you can see here, this portion is already selected. So I also want to select this part. So in that case, what I need to do, I need to press Shift, then it will be added this part. As you can see here, this part also selected. So I can easily select this part because of this area, because this is the same color area, white color area. So in that case, I can easily select. Then you just need to go here, then drag and drop, as you can see here. Okay. So if you want to select also this part, you can just go here, then you can just click here. Uh, so you can also increase and decrease this brush size from this option, as you can see here, like this, as you can see. Let me increase this brush size to 40. As you can see, it's now increased. Okay, so let's make it to 20, so it will be different. So if I want to deselect this part, I need to press Alt, then deselect this part. Then I can drag and drop like this. So in that way, you can use quick selection tool. Okay. So yeah, and this is the thing. And another interesting thing is object selection tools. So let me make it. Yeah. So as you can see here, for this image, I have only one object, which is this man. Okay. If I want to select this man in one click, in that case, you can use object selection tools Then you can just, as you can see here, you can just select the area. So it will automatically detect the person. As you can see here, it's automatically selected the area, but there is some issue. As you can see, this is the issue. We don't need this part. So in that case, we can use quick selection tools. Then press Alter to minus this part. Let me deselect. Let me decrease the size of this brush. Then, or we can use letter tool. As you can see here, I can easily deselect this part. And I also need to add this part. So in that case, I can use lasso tools, and I'm just pressing Shift to plus this area. As you can see here. As you can see here, this is the thing. Okay. As you can see here, I can easily select this object by the help of object selection tools. Then you can just drag and drop there. Okay, do you understand, guys?
Sir, just to make sure, should we select Shift, press Shift, and then select that area?
Yeah. If you want to add area, you need to press Shift and just add the area. If you want to delete the selection area, you need to press Alt.
Okay.
Let me show you again. Okay. So Control D for the select area. So let's say I have rectangle. Okay. So I want to add some options like some area. So in that case, I need to press Shift. So it will be added. As you can see that this area is added. So if I want to deselect some area, in that case, I need to press Alt. So it will be deselect the area. Now, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Sarah, do you have any question? Guys, any question, guys? You can ask me. Okay, Sarah, you can unmute yourself. Hello, Sarah, do you have any question? Yes. Let's move forward into the next topic, next part. Okay. Control P for the area. Okay, so we have covered this move tools. We also cover our selection area, how we can select the part from select area. We are also covered this part, measurement tool, quick selection tools, object selections tool. This is the thing. Okay, let's move forward into the next topic, which is crop tools. Maybe you guys already know about the crop tools. Crop tools means you can't cut any parts on a portion and area. In that case, you can use crop tool. So let me open another image. Okay. So in that case, in that photo, as you can see here, there are lots of shelves, bookshelves. So let's say I want to crop this shelf, bookshelf. So in that case, I can just go to crop tools. Then I can just select this one like this. Like this. Then I just click here. Okay. Now it will do. As you can see here, it will be cropped. This is an easy tool. It's easy tool. So in that case, let's say I want to only select this portion. How can I do this? As you can see, this is the object. So in that case, we can just go here and object selection tools, then just select this portion. It will automatically select the portion, but there is some issue, as you can see here. So for the bottom part, we can use rectangle tools, then shift, then let's select this portion. So for the top part, we can just click here then it will get this part, then drag and drop. As you can see, that way you can see. And if you want to crop this part, you can crop and Control P. Okay. So the next one is perspective tool. Okay. I will show you perspective tool later, not today's lesson. Okay, so the next one is the slide tool. So you want to cut any image slightly, like a knife. So you can just do this. Just select the area, as you can see here. Now it's divided into the 5 part. As you can see, there 3. Let's zoom this one. 5 portion, as you can see here. Let's say I want to take another part. I want to cut this part. So this is one kind of a slice. If you want to slice your image, you can use this one. So most probably we're not using this tool. And the another one is slice selection. So you can, as you can see here, you can increase and decrease the selection area of your slice part. This is the slice selection tool. So we are not using this tool. Okay. This is one kind of unnecessary tool. Maximum time we are using for the selection purpose, we are going to use pen tools. Okay. This is the thing. And the eyedropper we will talk this later. We just covered the basic, like simple tools in the class. Okay, export healing tools. So let me try to download. So, and you go to this form. Let's try to that. Fine. Oh, okay. Okay. There's some little bit spot for the image. So if you want to remove this spot, first of all, let's duplicate this layer. So if you want to duplicate this layer, you need to press Ctrl J. Therefore, it will make it duplicate your layer. or you can just drag and drop here. Oh, let's right click on it and click duplicate layer. And there you can see a layer 1 and layer 2. So this is our original layer, and this is a duplicate layer. Okay, let's I want to remove this one. As you can see here, I want to remove this spot. This is spot. You just need to go here at link and report healing first to, and click here, like this. So there are little bit of spot there. So I need to click here. So there are also some little bit of spot. So if I just close this one, you will see the before and after. This is the original image after working on spot healing tool. It is like this. So by the help of a spot healing tool, you can delete any spot from your object. This is the thing. You understand, guys? Okay, thank you guys for your response. Okay, and the next one is healing brush tool. Okay, so yeah, really.
Excuse me.
So for the healing brush tool, yeah. Hello,
Teacher.
hello, Shahil, I can't hear you. Yeah,
I have a question.
hello. Yeah, sure, ask me.
Tool.
Sorry, I can hear you.
This option link tool, brush tool.
Sorry, I can hear you. Can you write down your question on chat? I think this is the internet issue. I can't hear you.
Okay.
Please write your question in chat. So the next tool is healing brush tool. Okay. So let's say I want to duplicate a portion.
Okay.
So, okay. Okay. As you can see that there are lots of love. So next I want to duplicate this one again. So in that case, you need to go here, healing brush tool. Then you need to increase the size according to your need. And you just need to press let me zoom my canvas. As you can see here, my brush tool is now on this block. So you just need to press Alt to select this portion. Then you can just duplicate it. As you can see here, I can duplicate it again, and again. So if you want to duplicate any area, in that case you can use healing brush tool. As you can, let's say I want to duplicate this one, this portion, this line. You need to press Alt to collect the sample. Okay, you need to press Alt to collect the sample, then you can start duplicating this object, which is healing brush tool. How it works. In that case, it works. Do you understand, guys? Healing brush tool. Each and every tools are easy in Photoshop. Do you understand? Should I repeat?
I
Can you
understand.
please repeat
Thank
it,
you, teacher.
sir?
Yeah, sure. So yeah. Let me go. So as you can see here, there are lots of love. So let's say I want to duplicate this one in several times. So how can I do this? In that case, I can use healing brush tool. Okay. So if you want to duplicate, I want to duplicate this love. So first of all, I need to collect this area sample. In that case, you need to press Alt. Once you click Alt, it will be collecting the area. As you can see, it's now collected. Now you can just press here, here, and here. This is the thing. So for this image, as you can see, I already have this collection. So I just click here. I click here. So it will be, as you can see here, it will be duplicated. Okay. So let's say I want to duplicate this person face. So in that case, I need to go healing brush tool. Then I can decrease the size. Okay. Then I need to press Alt to collect the area sample. As you can see, then now I can duplicate this person face. As you can see here, this is the thing. This is healing brush tool. You just need to duplicate the area. First of all, you need to select the area. Then you just need to press click. You don't have to click and click. So it will be duplicated. Understand? What's that?
Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Let's close. Let's close this. Let's close this. Okay. Okay, so we have covered move tools, we have covered selection tools, and also magic on quick selection and object selection tool. We also covered spot healing tool, healing bus tool. Okay. So let's move forward into another topic which is most important. This is layer panel. Okay. As you can see here, this is layer panel. Correct. This is the layer panel of Adobe Photoshop. So let me okay, so if you want to create a new layer, you just need to click here. Let me go. Let me create a new. Okay. If you want to create a new layer, you just need to click here. Click here. Okay. It will be created new layer. If you want to rename it, just double click on it, then you can create as your need. As you can see here. This is the thing. If you want to duplicate the layer, just you need to press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, or you can just right click on it, then click duplicate layer. If you want to lock your layer, you just need to click here, lock this layer. Okay. If you want to increase and decrease the opacity, you just need to click here. So the opacity of this layer will be increased. You can also click fill like this. And there are some more options. So don't worry about it. I will discuss one by one and later. But in that class, you just need to know how to create a new layer, how to change the layer position. That's it. That's it for today's lesson. Maybe in the next class, we will talk about briefly and rectangles to gradient tools. Inshallah in the next class. But for this class, we just covered the basic things. That's it.